Does a trip to the boat ramp sound more stressful than a trip to the dentist? Or do you think it might end up in divorce court? Stick around for your tips on Boat Ramp 101. Hi, I'm Sean from Lens Cove Lessons in Boating. Today we're going to talk about boat ramps. They can be a little bit stressful, so we're going to go over some tips and tricks to help you minimize that stress, get you onto the trailer safely with the least amount of damage as possible. Follow me. Remember, in any boating maneuver, whether you're docking your boat or going to the ramp, neutral is your friend. Unlike a car in your parking lot where you leave it in forward or reverse while you're driving and parking, when you're coming up to a boat dock or a trailer, you're often in and out of gear. Don't be afraid to put it into neutral and to coast a little. We really want to keep our momentum down so that we're not trying to correct constantly. In and out of gear, see what the boat wants to do. As you look at the trailer, you'll see that the guideposts are out of the water and you can just see the tips of the bunks protruding from the water, and that's ideal. It gives you something to aim for and something to push against as you drive on. We just coast in, nice and slow, and let the boat guides and the bunks do their job. One of the things when you have a bunk trailer like this trailer here is that you want to make sure you don't try to drag the boat up using the winch dry. You want to push it up, because if you do that, you'll damage the winch. Once the boat is on the trailer, then we can trim up our drive a little bit so that we have clearance at the back, and we can slowly ease the boat up onto the trailer. Once it's on, I'll leave it in gear and attach the front. Doing the ramp with two people is ideal because you have someone who's helping you out on shore and someone who's in the boat driving. Because we've done this for so long though, we often just do it with one person on the boat. Now that we have the boat out of the water, we're going to want to secure it for travel. Make sure you do this part slightly away from the ramp so you're out of the way and the next person can use it. We're going to want to do things like turn the key off and any electronics, turn your battery switch off if you have it. We're going to want to trim the drive up so it's nice and high and there's no way for it to impact the road. We're then going to remove any canvas if you're going for a long distance. Your bow and cockpit cover could be stored away, and your bimini top if it's a long trip or you're going quickly. And then we're going to want to strap the back of the boat down using two secure straps, and we're also going to put a safety strap on the front. Make sure you remember to remove the drain plug. That way, if the boat sits on shore for any length of time, you're going to let any water that's accumulated in there out, and any rainwater that may come in over the course of the next week or two be able to get out as well. Put it in a good spot though, so you remember to put it in when you go back to the ramp. Now we have the boat on the trailer, and hopefully your next trip to the ramp is a little less stressful. If you find boat docking stressful, check out our blog, and there's a link in the description below for an article that I wrote about boat docking. Here is a playlist that you can find other boating tips. Thank you for joining us on Lens Cove Lessons in Boating for today's video. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more. Be safe, have fun, and we'll see you out on the water.